This is back to the wall from bar 9 in the right hand, super slow. Thumb is on middle C, 5 on G, 3 on the E flat. 5 on G at the top, move 2 to C, thumb on A flat. 4 on F, 3 on E flat. Come off, 4 on D, thumb on F. 2 on B flat. 5 on F at the top, 2 on B flat and thumb on G. 4 on E flat. Come off, C at the top, E flat at the bottom. A flat, B flat. E flat at the top, A flat in the middle, thumb on F at the bottom. 4 on D flat. 5 and 3 on D and B, thumb on G. 5 to 1. Stretch your 5 to F.